Hey guys, so today we're going to be filming a brand new video, and today we're going to be filming with the new Reese's Puff makeup collection with HIPDOT. When I got the package, I literally cut into the makeup bag like, hi little how are you? But yeah, so if you guys want to see how this look turns out and see how all the makeup products in this little collection, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I wanted to unbox everything with you guys. Of course, I did sneak peek already everything on Instagram, so if you guys want to go see all that, well, of course you're watching this video, but all the sneak peeks always go on Instagram first, so make sure to go follow me at LUXXE to get all the exclusives before it comes onto YouTube. Are the packages, and it comes with 2 palettes. It comes with 2 little palettes in this collection, and 2 lip balms or tinted lip balms, and then 2 eyeshadow brushes. When I get into these, aren't they so freaking cute? These are in the shade Chocolate Lovers, and then the other one is called Peanut Butter Lovers, and these smell like chocolate, like, or the Reese's Puffs. They smell so good. I think the palette smells like it. When I was like playing with it the other day, not playing with it, but when I opened it the other day, it smelled like it, but I think I'm just hallucinating because I want to believe it smells like chocolate, but I don't think it does. This is the Reese's Puffs. This is the peanut butter milk chocolate palette. And then this is the vanilla. Oh, this is the peanut butter white chocolate palette. I don't know why I act like I don't know what these Reese's Puffs flavors are. Like, I literally love these. So this is this palette. It has like a really pretty gold shimmer here in the middle. An orange, of course, which I thought would have thought it would have been in this palette, but this is that little palette. This is a little bit more on the cooler side. The peanut butter milk palette has more warmer tones. Let me get in there. I'm so sorry guys. Last video, I remember that the close-ups were a little blurry. I'm so sorry. And then here are the brushes. It comes in this little cute little, it looks like one of those blunt wraps, if y'all know what I'm talking about, the little baggies. But this is the little collection it comes in, or the little brush set. It comes with 2 brushes. Does it say like what number? Nope, it just doesn't. It just has little 2 dual-ended brushes. These are the brushes, really cute. There's the chocolate one, and this is that deeper shade. This is really pretty. I don't think, they say they're tinted, so. Okay, yeah, they're not like full-on pigmented, but that's a tinted, that's very pigmented lip balm if you ask me. So those are the colors, very warm toned, of course. And this is the makeup bag, and I'm pretty sure, like I said, if you click the link below, you guys can purchase this whole collection with the makeup bag, all in the link below. As you guys are seeing this, the collection is now available. Usually I post these on the actual launch date. All right, so I was thinking about doing 2 eyes, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I want to do 1 eye and 1 eye this palette, because I really want to dip into these colors. Like, I'm just inspired to play with this collection. So I'm thinking of just doing 1 eye with this palette. So I'm going to start off with this eye first, and I'm going to go in here with one of the dual-ended brushes, and then I'm going to go into the shade called Indulge first, this really pretty cool tone middle shade. I'm going to start by sketching out a little moment. Oh, I already like that color. Oh, and you know what? I actually like how small this brush is, because I'm really able to get into that crease. Y'all see how precise that is? Super easy. Ooh, oh my god, I love the way this brush applies the eyeshadow. It like really gets in there. Still continue with this shade. I'm gonna go right here on the liner part, and we're just gonna start sculpting. We're not really sculpting, but just like adding some depth here. And I'm gonna go into that shade called Treat, and it's that really pretty, nice, cool brown. Oh, well, I would say fudgy brown. Just a fudge brown shade. Ooh, I like this shade also. This shade is very pigmented. I mean, I'm pretty sure with these neutrals, they're gonna be very buttery. Now we're gonna go back into that shade Indulge, and we're gonna mix a little bit of white chocolate just to get a little bit of a blend. We're gonna go also with that other brush to a little bit of both. And we're gonna start smoking that area out here, just to start connecting, and then start blending in that wing liner. I mean, that little spot right here, into that area here, so we can get a really cool blend. Or not cool, but like easy, nice blend here. Continue doing the same here in the inner corner spot. And we're gonna kind of like leave this spot right here a little unblended. I kind of want to like leave that very harsh, so it looks like very like I said in that last video, Deppy. Like, I don't know if that's a real word, but Deppy. Okay, and then I really want to go into that glitter shade. Like, I don't know what it is, but I really want to dip into that. But I want to dip into that orange too, but I have no clue where I want to place her. Like, do I want to put her in the inner corner? Like, do I? Like, maybe I do. So let's try that. I'm going to try that orange, the shade Confession. Oh, Confection. Here. Just like right here in that little area. I don't really, I'm not really into all that, but let's see. I just want to play with all these colors because I feel like in my last video, I didn't get to play with these shades as much. I'm kind of just gonna like play as many colors as I can. And now I'm gonna go into that shade called Creamy, that really pretty champagne color or cool tone shade or cool tone shimmer. And we're just gonna connect that with the orange and kind of get like an easier, lighter blend. Or at least kind of like dull that shade down a bit because it's looking a little harsh in this area. Orange shade, Confession or Confection. We're just gonna add that here in the inner corner part. I feel like I need to add that orange in there. So I'm just gonna end up going all the way with that orange. Back into that shade Indulge. It's that really pretty middle shade here. And we're just gonna pack that right here and blend in those two with the brown and fudge brown. Oh, I love that shade Indulge. Like, oh, so my color. First impressions, we're gonna go in here with that glitter. I just wanna swatch it first to see. Oh my God, that was very creamy. That was, I've never like felt a glitter like that before. It was like actually like a real, look at that. Even the way it swatched was nice. Again, that was in the shade Snack Time. Oh my God. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that. Oh my God, I swear you guys, it was like, yeah, I already knew that was gonna happen because that shit was pigmented. I'm gonna go all the way up right here. Oh my God. Oh yeah, that is like, look at that. Girl, I have a full eye of glitter now. It was supposed to be a little cute little sparkle moment. But yeah, like I said, I got a little carried away because this shade was pigmented. Let's blend this out a little bit because I didn't want this much glitter on my eye. Like, this is a little too much. So I feel like I fixed that. It's not as harsh anymore. I just literally just went in with my brush and I went back and forth and blended it. And you can still see it a little bit, but I didn't want it to be so like, boom, girl, like, hello. You know what I mean? It was a little too much. Go in here with the other palette. This is the peanut butter milk palette. And I kind of want to dip into that shade called Tasty first. Is that really pretty warm brown? Warm brown, I would call it an orangey brown. And I'm gonna go in here. I kind of want to just use a newer brush, but I'm kind of just gonna dip into that same brush here. But we're gonna go on with this little one right here, and we're gonna dip into that shade Tasty. Again with that orange shade. And I kind of want to just, yeah, since that eyeliner, that little inner corner that is there, I kind of want to make like a smoky top crease and then a bottom brown wing and crease in bottom and stuff. Just make the top orange. This orange is very pigmented, very smooth. These colors apply like so easily. Like, look at that. Very nice pigment. Oh, when you get a text from your ex, block. And I'm dipping into that shade Tasty and also the shade White Chocolate. Mixing the two because I don't really have like an orangey like shade to blend this out with. And I could just like go without blending it, but I'm a blender. I gotta blend everything out, okay? Then we just did the other eye and we're gonna go in with that shade called Milk Chocolate, which looks a lot deeper than the other shade. So we might have to go in with the other, oh yeah, this one is more my color. Ooh, I love a good deep fudge brown like this. I think this has like a hint of purple in there, I think it does. I don't think it does. I mean, I don't know. Oh no, it's just a deeper brown. Oh my God, I love this brown shade. Oh my God, I'm telling you, I don't know why I think it has a scent. Like, I don't know why I think I have a scent. If it has a scent, then y'all let me know in the comments, but oh my God, I'm smelling the chocolate. Like, it's so funny. Now I'm gonna be going into that shade Peanut Butter, that middle shade, which looks literally like peanut butter. Oh yeah, look at that. It's literally the shade of peanut butter. How cute is that? And how do you guys feel about these little mini collections from HIPDOT? I'm loving them. I love little collections like this. As you guys know, I'm always posting little collections here and there. It's so fun. Go into the shade Perfect. It's that really pretty brown shimmer. Oh my god, these glitters. Oh my god, these glitters are like insane how pigmented they are. Like I haven't like, okay, world's most like, okay, these are like actually crazy, like in a good way. I actually like really like the way they're performing. Easy to apply. And see, with this shade I'm able to go all the way. Like, see, I basically did like a cheetah, not cheetah moment, but I'm bringing it all the way up. I'm actually gonna go in with that go-to, that snack time shade. I'm gonna dip a little bit of that in there because why not? Like, we already played with so much color. Like, this look is literally all over the place, but like, girl, so are you, stop playing. Now we're gonna go back in with that orange shade. We're just gonna pop that here in the inner corner as well, because why not? I feel like we've already gone that orange route. We might as well continue. And I mean, plus it's Reese's, like, what do we expect? I don't know if I want to go in with that yellow. Honestly, I don't think I want to go in with that yellow. I think I'm just gonna go in with that shade here, since it's like, it's both orange. I might as well go in with that orange shade. So I'm gonna go back in with that shade called confection, kind of like confectionate sugar. I don't know why I'm having a hard time saying that word, but here we go. Just so we can have both the inner corners the same. I was gonna do the yellow inner corner, but I'm like, if I do another different inner corner, I think it's gonna look a little too crazy. And I already know I'm a little crazy already, but I didn't want my eyeshadows to reflect that, okay? And then we're gonna go back into that shade Creamy. I think this shade is super pretty, that cream shade, but I wanna see if that shade Creamy is the same shade from this one in the shade Candy, because they look the same in pan. Okay, so you can see this one is a lot lighter. The Candy shade from the orange palette, or I'm only saying orange, but this is the peanut butter palette. This shade is a lot lighter than the other one. This one in here is a little bit more cool tone. It has a little bit of an undertone. So yeah, you can definitely see the difference with that. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, we're gonna go in here with the lip. These are the two tinted lip balms. It says, are you peanut butter or milk chocolate lover? Either way, we've got you covered. The HIPDOT Reese's Tinted Lip Balm Duo includes a peanut butter nude and a milk chocolate brown tinted lip balm, formulated to give you a soft palette with a hint of color, all infused with the sweet aroma of Reese's peanut butter cup. Like Reese's butter cups. So this is the shade Chocolate Lover. This is that really pretty chocolate brown shade right here. And then this is Peanut Butter Lovers, and it's that really pretty nude. Can y'all guess what shade I'm going in with? Okay, girl, you already know. I'm gonna be going in here with the nude. Again, this is in the shade Peanut Butter Lover. I'm gonna swatch it one more time for you guys so y'all can see the shade. So this is, oh my god, I swear I need to swatch it on this like forearm part. That, oh my god, it's so, look at that. That's a pretty nude. Oh my god, I already know it's gonna be super cute. Let's go in here with my nude base. Oh, you know what? It actually is tinted. I thought it would be more, I mean, from my swatches. Okay, yeah, it's just like a really pretty warm nude brown. I feel like I've seen plenty of these from these collections, but you can never have enough nudes, you know what I mean? Yeah, super cute. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Of course, I have like all these little squiggly moments. I was really inspired by the packaging, of course, and then I saw like these little like rivels in here. It was like kind of like a little outline moment, and then I saw like the packaging in here, and it kind of reminded me of like the little squigglies. I don't know, I just started putting them all over my eyes, so this is what I came up with. And then of course the little lip balms. I think these are super cute. I really love this nude color. I think it changed a little bit. Did it get a little bit darker? I don't know. I think it got a little bit darker. Y'all let me know. But yeah, so the nudes are super cute. I definitely need to try this out more. The shade Chocolate Lover. Of course, you guys, if you guys want to see me try these out a little bit more, of course, I'm always going to be going in here with the collection on my Instagram Reels. I love doing little mini tutorials on there. So if you guys want to see more tutorials or look using the darker shade, make sure to go check me out on Instagram at LUXXE and go check out my reel. And for the brushes, I really like these brushes. I think they're so cute and like handy. Of course, like I think for me, because I love little detail brushes, that it's perfect for me to get like in my crease, underneath my eyes. This one's really good for also in a corner, a crease, blending underneath my eyes. This one is a really good blending brush. Of course, this one's just a bigger sister for this one. But I think these two brushes together, or these brushes, all four of these little brushes together, I think were a really good combo. Super cute. Of course, I would have loved a bigger like blending brush, like maybe like one of these, but I think, you know, I'm not mad at it. You know what I mean? I'm not mad at it. Palettes, of course, these are super cute little collections. Of course, I'm a makeup collector, so I love collecting little mini collections like this. Of course, if you guys don't need it, of course, it's not that necessary. But I really, you know, if you guys want to play or you want to purchase some new products, why not purchase the Reese's Pieces Buttercup palette collection? I mean, super cute. Alright guys, so I hope you guys did like this video. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below any video suggestions you have for me. And of course, if no one told you you're beautiful, you're beautiful. Okay, bye guys.